Book 1, Minuet 1. 2 challenges. The bowing, 3 challenges. The bowing, the time signature, and getting second finger to cooperate. This is a piece where there's a lot of geographical location change for our second finger. And the boom, ba-da-da-dum. So let's tackle this with the most challenging part of the piece. The bow's going to sit on the E string to start, and we're going to get a nice shiny 3. Ready? Play. Again. Ready? Play. Yeah, just imagine you're playing Allegro, right? Or if you want to stop me and practice that. Okay, got your shiny 3rd finger ready? Stop the bow and set the 2nd finger on a whole tone back. Oh, sorry, my bow forgot to change. Ready? 3rd finger on E. Stop and set the 2nd finger a tone back. Yeah, have a look at it this way as well. 3rd finger. Stop and set the 2nd finger a whole tone back. And if you're lucky, it will ring because it's a G natural and it will make your ring in sympathy. So let's play. This takes a fair chunk of practice, right? Just getting that low 2 accurately situated. You'll notice that my wrist doesn't move because if I squeeze, I'm not going to be able to play the next thing. Wrist tapping fingers. Ready, play. Ready, play. Ready, play. If you want to stop and do some more practice, please do. Add the next note. That was simple. Hooray. Again. Again. And one more from this perspective. Okay, now we've got an open string E and then we've got a quick string crossing and a set your 3rd finger on A. Ready, set, play. Oh, you might notice that elbow coming through like it did with Etude and like it's going to when we play Minuet 2 and 3. So let's set that up really well now. Let me watch the point of my elbow. You'll see it come forwards. Oh yeah, cool, right, this is happening to support my finger. Now I'm not going to drop back for that E string note. I'm going to make sure 4th finger hits the E while I've still got my elbow at that nice supportive angle. So, roll, leave it there. Yeah, even though I'm on the E string, it really helps to give the 4th finger a little bit of extra support so it can be on its tip and get a resonant B. Let's try again. Yeah, if you need a bit of extra time to set your 4th finger up, that's fine. Just stop me and have a practice. Okay. Set. Again. Set. Now my other fingers are all free and wiggling about. I'm going to drop my 2nd finger down. I really don't want 3rd finger to touch. I'd like it to stay hovering in the air. Ready, set, play. Now, I hope you've been practicing lightly row with your 2nd finger, with your 4th finger going to 2nd finger like this. Because by now we've grown out of having all our fingers on and peeling them off. We can just independent fingers. Drop the 2. That sets us up really well for Minuet 1. Let's do it again. Drop the 2 and walk down. The rhythm is stop, busy, busy, stop, busy, busy. Let's not get hung up on the open E string. Stop, busy, busy, stop, busy, busy. Let me have it play, keeping it really tightly in rhythm, just so you can hear. Short bows are helpful. If we... It's a bit disastrous. So keep it staccato. Sorry. And then we have the bit where I always say, long, boring notes. For those long, boring crotchets. Okay, let's play. Yum, da 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 dum, ba da da da, long, boring notes. And see how we go. A little slower than that, maybe. Yum, da 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 da, yum, ba da da da. But always stopping your bow and crossing. Long, boring notes. This is a really good thing to do with 10 of something. 10 Lego men, $10 coins, 10 5-cent pieces. It doesn't matter. Just 10 of something so you can keep count and actually put the practice in. It's also satisfying to see it rack up. So when you have the hang of this and you can play accurately, yes, that's your first strike or your first point or whatever you would like. Just going to, oh yeah, I've got 10 of something. What a surprise. Here we go. So, I've done it once. Cool. Let me go again. Ugh. Wait, that wasn't right. Guess what? You have to give it back to Mum. When you get it right, that's when we want to practice it. So that's when you get paid. Yes, that's a point. Yours. Go again. Ready, play. Yes, that's a point. Now, here is where you want to press pause and go practice that bit. I'll wait for you. It's okay. Okay. Let's see if we can put it down a string. A little bit harder on the A string because of balancing issues. So listening first. My fingers were exactly the same, right? Yeah, I just picked everything up and dumped it over one string. So instead of starting on E string, I start on A string. Instead of crossing to A string, I cross to D string. This is just like learning perpetual motion and chucking it over D string. Okay, if you need to stop and revise that, whisk back, play perpetual motion, I can wait. All right, on the A string, third finger, set. Elbow, leave it there and put the 4 down. And this has a different ending. Stop, busy, stop, stop, run, pony, run, run, or whatever words you would like to make up there. You can usually stick someone's name in there. Kick, Barney, kick, kick, I don't know. Let's do it again. Third finger on A string. Set the 4. And this is another bit that you stop and do 10 times. It will be easier than doing it on the E string because you've already got the left hand under control. Go practice. Okay, now that you've got that, let's see if we can play the first part of the piece. Wait, what was that? 2 up bows. Down, up, up. Yes, this is important, and yes, you need to practice it, and yes, if you don't have the bowing right, don't go on. Just stop and work on that piece of bowing. It's also nice to get that third finger to ring, because that's a D, so your should resonate in sympathy. If it doesn't resonate, you're not perfectly in tune. Okay, next little bit. I really like this. It's so easy, everyone gets it wrong. Okay, next little bit. Did you see the double up again? Okay, here it is on the A. 3, up again. Let's do those 4 notes again. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Okay, now let's go back to the start and see if we can get to that minimum. Ready, play. Here we go, we get to add on our part that we've already practiced 100 times. Start again. Up, up. All good so far? Super. Next section. Oh, did you get the C sharps? High twos, very exciting. Do that again. Ready, play. Yeah, again, because those C sharps can sometimes get a bit weird. Ready, play. Climb up. Now go running back down. I love that bit. Listen. It's like stolen straight out of Etude or Andantino or something. Ready from the 1E, go. Climb up. Run back down. Now this is the part we've already practiced 100 times. Long, boring notes. Great. Let's play from the 1E again. Da da. All the way to just after the messing around part. Ready, set, play. Climb up high, running back down. Set. Long, boring notes. Now, third finger's going to stay on, but can you see my second finger pulling away? It's like, oh, I don't really like you anymore. You smell bad. Yeah, we've got that C natural from Etude. That's come to visit. Have a look. Oh, pull back. And again. One more time for good luck. And now we know this bit already. Stick those 2 ideas together. Ready, 3 on A, play. Pull that low 2 back again. Okay, so this little passage is full of those C naturals. This type of practice is really useful for fixing that stuff fast. Ready? Third finger on A. 3, 2, 1, A, 1, A, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, ready, play. Great, have another go. It's quite a large chunk with a lot packed into it. Ready, play. Yeah, one more time, and you can always pause me if you'd like to do more times to make it easier for yourself. Ready, play. Set the 3 on. Oh yeah, we got that bit for free because we already practiced it before. I'm going to play the whole second part of the piece. So back to the 1 E, 2, 1, 2 A. If you're looking at book 1's printed music, it's where the repeat sign is. Ready? First finger on, play. Climbing up, running back down. Set. Long, boring notes. Low 2. Squash the 2. Set 3 on. And now you know the whole piece. So I'm going to play the whole thing for you with its repeats at a gentler tempo than the CD, so you've got a bit of an intermediate step between learning and fluency. Ready? Introduction. Ready, play. Up, up. Again. Up, up. Up, up. On we go. Climbing up, running back down. Set. Long, boring notes. 1, 2, 3. One on A. Climbing up, running back down. Long, boring notes. Set. I hope that's helpful. I'd love to see your video when you've got it running smoothly. Good luck.